All right, here we go. Question number 6 from our Calculus 1 homework number 2 in WebAssign. It says explain why the function is discontinuous at the given number of a. Here we're concerned with where a is -3. If we look at our piecewise function, we can see that when x is -3, it is defined to be 1. So this option down here where it says f of -3 is undefined, that cannot be the correct answer because the piecewise function does define the function value to be 1 when x is -3. All right, so for the other answer choices, they all have to do with the limit. So let's look at the first option. F of -3 is defined, that is true, and the limit of the function as x approaches -3 is finite, but they are not equal. So what this means, it means the limit exists, and it is it's an actual number. Now, if we go to Desmos and look at the graph where x approaches -3, we can see that the limit from the left approaches -infinity, and the limit from the right approaches +infinity, and since that is not approaching the same height, that limit does not exist. So this first option where it says the limit of f of x is finite, that's not true because it doesn't even exist. How about this second option? The limit as x approaches -3 is not finite. That is correct, but it doesn't exist. And the third option says the limit from the right and the left are finite. Again, that is not true because it approaches +infinity and -infinity. So I'm not sure. Is it this option? The limit of f of x is not finite. It would make me feel better if it said the limit doesn't exist. Yeah. Maybe that choice, but I think really it should be none of the above. And then it wants us to sketch the graph. Now remember that this function is defined when x is -3. There should be a point at 1. So here there is a point at 1. This is approaching +infinity from the left, -infinity from the right. That is not what our graph does. All right, so then the second answer choice over here, that can't be correct either, mainly because the asymptote is on the wrong side of the y-axis. The asymptote is in the wrong place. Third answer choice, asymptote is at +3, not -3. Here we go. Fourth answer choice, got to be the right answer. Again, the only thing I'm not sure of in this problem about whether it's correct or not is this right here. But aside from saying none of the above, this is the best fit for this situation. Let's see if that's what WebAssign wanted. No, it is. That's what they wanted. And we did pick the correct graph. All right, so there you go. That's how that works. And that's going to do it for this problem. If you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this video, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.